Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Sorry if you could hear the family in the background. I tried to turn on the heat to kind of muffle the noise a little bit, but we will see. I have two kiddos, so it gets a little crazy here sometimes. But all of these new releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. All the Park Hopper stuff is still available, and I just love that release, and you guys loved it too, so I was really excited about that. And Kane still has, I think, almost everything in stock. I know he has a lot of things that are almost sold out though, so definitely hop over to Kane's website as well. I'll leave him linked down below. So I do have a lot to release this week, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you guys the foil items first because it's kind of minimal this week. I went crazy last week, so I tried to reel it in. So first things first is we do have our Easter items releasing this week. We do have one exclusive collection and then two collections from other artists that are available to like everyone. And I wanted to release some quote boxes to kind of go along with it. So they are available in all four foils. So this one says, "Somebody loves you, bunny kisses and Easter wishes, happy Easter, chillin' with my peeps," in all four foils. So those will be available. And then I do have two foil bundles this week, and these ones are they're not like really misfit. They are like the foil they're supposed to be, but I didn't realize the foil was going to be sheer. So if you guys have our foil bundles from the past, we did have, I think, two that were like this. It was peachy sheen, so that was like, it's kind of like a sheer foil, and then also ivory veil. So this one here is a really light mint. I'm trying to find like a page that you can see it best on. So this is what it looks like. And with these icons, they do have a like sheer sheen to them. So whenever you overlay them, they're less like a foil and more like a really pretty like iridescent overlay. So you guys can see that. And let me go ahead and grab something I can put an icon on or something to show you guys. So I have some leftovers from a spread. I'm also sorry that I didn't put up a video on Friday. Ooh! Kirsten just texted me saying that it is snowing where she is, so it should start snowing by me soon. I'm super excited. It is Sunday and it's supposed to snow in Austin. So this is what these kind of look like. I'll also test the pink one for you guys, but it just has a really pretty kind of like sheer sheen. I feel like maybe like trying to think of the word. I know there's a word, kind of like pearlescent, I guess would be the way to say it. Okay, so you guys will be able to see the on the listing picture the design, but this is the same as the Black Prism design as far as it is the twinkle, and then it does have the whimsical bow in the place of the bow. So you do get two of the full box sheet, two of the bougie box sheet, one of the sheet here with the icons and the scripts, and then the sheet with the date numbers, the deco, the fancy headers, and then the bottom washi overlay. So again, this one is like the sheer kind of mint color. And then we also have this one, which is really pretty. This one's actually a little bit easier to see, but this is in the star format. And this is a sheer pink. So this has the two full box pages, full boxes and headers in the star format. And then you do have the bougie boxes in the pink, the icons and the scripts, and then also the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi. Let me go ahead and show you guys what a swatch of this looks like. Let's grab the TV on a little thing. So it just has a nice like sheer look, which is really cute and soft, but I thought that these would go really well with like Easter pastel kind of kits. So we do have the sheer pink in the star format like I showed you guys, as well as the sheer mint in the twinkle version, and we are going to only be offering these in the bougie format, and I will be putting them on a special pricing for the first 48 hours, even more discounted than normal because they are the sheer foil. So that is the foil bundles for this week, but I thought they kind of worked because we're going for like the Easter theme and they are really pastel and cute. Let's go ahead let's do the kits first, and then I'll go through the sticker packs. So the first kit here is the only non-Easter kit this week, but I mean, you totally could use this with like an Easter overlay if you wanted to do something a little less traditional, but this is called Evermore, and I love this art so much. I think it turned out so pretty. It's art by Kit Girl Jess, and she is my fave, obviously, and let's go ahead and go through it. So this is kind of like a soft like cottagecore theme, and I think it's so nice for spring or like a summer transition, an August kit, even like a fall into fall transition. I just think it's beautiful. I love the fashion options here, as well as all of the different elements and scenes. Then you do have this deco page. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. I love the purple and this like sage green color. I just think it is a beautiful combination with the nude. And then you have the extra 2 full boxes here, which is the living room as well as the little deer, which I think is cute. And then you do also have the pattern and labels, well, pattern and solid labels. And then the bottom washi, which is gorgeous in that purple color. The extra freebie for the mini and the ultimate is an extra like label, a label sampler in this really pretty, I don't even know what color this is, like a muted coral-ish color. There's probably a better name for it, but I really love this color, so I wanted to go ahead and add in a couple of labels in the color just to kind of, you know, sprinkle in that vibe. So that is Evermore, and I just think it's a really gorgeous collection. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit, and then I'll show you guys the add-on options. So the mini kit does have the same freebie as I mentioned with that gorgeous color. Somebody let me know what color this is down below. I feel like I know like a better description for it, but it's just not coming to me. I really just think muted coral kind of works. So you have the full boxes, the mini kit page, the glitter headers, the deco, as well as the bottom washi. So that is the mini kit format. So pretty. I just love this. I think it's going to be one of those collections that you can use with any foil as well. Be really pretty with rose gold, silver, gold. I mean, if you want to do hollow, a fun foil, there is add-on options. So you do have the 15mm strip. There is some fashion options here as well. And then you do have the label sampler if you want to add that on. So that is the first collection. Let's go ahead and move on to the second one. So there is going to be 3 Easter kits, but I feel like they all really have different vibes. Let me go ahead and show you guys, just kind of pull out all of the mini kits so you guys can see how different they all are, which I think is perfect because then you have options depending on your style. So you have this one here, which is called Bunny Crossing, which is a really like cute semi like ode to Animal Crossing, but not like really prominent, pastel, kind of more feminine Easter kit. And then you have this one here, which has a little bit more of the muted kind of modern tones to them while still being kind of colorful, really cute. And then also this one here, which is our exclusive, which is a little bit more bright and airy and very spring vibes with kind of like kid elements, but still being like adulty. So you got lots of options here. So those are all the mini kits, but I'll go through each and every kit individually. Okay, so the first one here is Bunny Crossing, and it's a really pretty kind of like pastel vibes, again with the like light Animal Crossing odes throughout. But I don't think like if you don't play Animal Crossing, it's really not that wild. So that is the full box page, and then you have your extra full boxes and some labels. You have your deco page, your half boxes, your glitter headers, your patterned labels, your solid labels, and then your bottom washi, along with your clear script freebie here. So that is Bunny Crossing. There are some add-on options as well. You do have the 15mm, you do have the label, and then there is also fashion options if you want to add those on, and I think they are so cute. So that again is Bunny Crossing. Then we'll go through, this is called Easter, and again this is kind of like a little bit modern, still has the colors throughout. I think it's really pretty. I love this like little snack board here. So this is the full box page, and then you have your extra boxes. I love this cake here. I think it's so beautiful. You have kind of marble accents throughout on the paper area, the glitter, the half boxes, the solid and patterned labels, and then the bottom washi. So again, very modern. And then both the mini and the ultimate kit do have this freebie here with the extra fashion, along with the extra full box there as well. And again, that is called Easter. There is also add-on options for that. Of course, there is the 15mm strip. There is also the label sampler, and then the fashion option as well. And then last but not least, we do have our exclusive art collection, and this is called Bunny Day. And I think this is so cute. I wanted to do something that was kind of, you know, brighter, kind of non-traditional colors, but still kind of keep it light and bright with like a lot of like whites in there as well. So I thought it turned out so pretty. Again, exclusive art. So you have really cute fashion girls up here, and then the scene. And then I just love this tiered tray. You have kind of the egg painting and the cake, basket of eggs. It's just so cute. And then like a little washi activity. I just think it's adorable. So that is the full boxes page, and then the extra page you have like a little kid basket with the eggs in it and some hunter rain boots. And then over here you do have kind of a more adult box with a really gorgeous like goals Easter basket. And again, these colors, I wanted to do something a little less traditional and something fun and very springy, and I'm probably going to be using this kit for Easter. I think it's going to look so pretty with silver or hollow or sparkly hollow. It's just going to be so good. Or maybe even a fun foil if I can kind of pair one up. Probably a purple would be really pretty. So I love everything about this, and the bottom washi. It reminds me of kind of like paper mache, watercolor vibes. So that is the ultimate kit. So for this collection, there is a freebie in both the mini and the ultimate with alternate skin tones for the watercolor egg painting. And then there is also options if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There is also fashion options, which are so dang cute. And then we do have a label sampler with the colors in here. And then I also was really in love with the mint green in this kit, as well as this orange. So there's going to be a second label sampler option, which has a half box, a third box, which is just a little bit smaller, 2 fancy labels, and then some little things in both of those colors because I loved them so much. So you can kind of get a little bit more of a color variation there as well. So there'll be a label sampler 1 and 2. And then there is also fam options. So they're just little kitters. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in just a little bit. So there is fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is our exclusive art collection this year for Easter, which again is called Bunny Day. So that is that. Let me go ahead and show you guys the sticker packs. This will be the last thing in this video for this release. So the first one, we do have one for Bunny Day. And you guys loved the Blast Off sticker pack, so I'm really excited to kind of bring these to the shop. So let me go ahead and open this one up. So this one here has the backer card with the bottom washi pattern on it. And then all of these are individual cut stickers, and you can use them to decorate basically whatever, but my intention for them initially was to decorate the monthly dividers. And I think that that is a super cute idea, but I can't wait to see kind of what you guys come up with for different ways to use these and decorate. And I tried for all of these to kind of give a variety of different sizes. And you could totally use these even in a weekly spread. I'm sure people will do that and it'll look super cute. So you do have a couple smaller egg options, and then you have some larger options as well. So this comes with all of these, and they are all on our normal glossy sticker paper, so they are not like weatherproof vinyl or anything, but they're still super cute, and this makes it a more affordable option than doing vinyls, and you can get a bunch of them versus maybe 1 or 2. And especially whenever decorating, let's say a dashboard or something like that, it's nice to be able to have something that's kind of curated to all match. But again, I don't think that they're limited at all to just dashboards. Let's go into the other 3. So I did do one for Ctrl Alt Delete, one for Netflix and Chill, which was the most requested, and then also one for Lucky. So let's go into the Netflix and Chill one first. Oh, this is so pretty. And let me know in the comments down below if there's any others that you guys want to see made into sticker packs. I do plan on doing one for, I think, January Mystery, along with doing that one as a monthly. So again, this is just on like photo paper. So it's just a little backer card to house them. So you do have the little Starbucks drink, the wine, the ramen, the candle, the ice cream, the bath bomb, the other bath bomb. You have the pizza, the eggplant, the strawberry, a little rose petal, a Netflix computer screen, French fries in an In-N-Out bag. So that is the Netflix and Chill sticker pack. Then we're also going to be doing Lucky, like I said. This one's super pretty. I was very excited, I'll show you guys, to do the ring big, because I feel like in the collection, it is hard to do a large version of the ring just because like scaling, it's like next to anything, it needs to be small. But look how pretty this is. I just love it. Hold on, let me see. Where can I zoom? It's so pretty. So I did 2 of them because I was so in love with it. So I did a larger one and a smaller one. I just think the details on that are intense and beautiful. And then there's the little, I guess like a perfume bottle, a tray, the violin, lipstick, chocolate covered strawberries, a couple flower options, the purse. This purse is gorgeous. The chocolate bark, this gorgeous bracelet, the pancakes, I guess it's like coffee, and then a little cupcake. And again, that is for Lucky. And then last but not least, we do have Ctrl Alt Delete, which was a Valentine's Day collection, but I feel like you could really use this anytime. It's not super Valentine's Day-y. So you do have just the little backer card here. And again, I wanted to do a variety of different sizes and things like that. So you have a couple smaller ones of the like makeup, hair clips, and the little like conversation hearts, a little feather, the present, the keyboard, which is one of my favorite things from the collection, the bear, the Polaroid, also this computer being one of my favorite things from the collection needed to be in there, the frap, the mirror, and then the like old rotary phone. I think that's super cute. So again, that is Ctrl Alt Delete. So that's everything for this week. I know there was a lot. There is the 4 sticker packs like I just showed you guys. There is the 2 sheer foil bundles, and then the 4 collections, as well as the foil Easter overlays. So that is everything. Again, everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully I'll have a video up for you guys on Wednesday with a plan with me. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video.